Mr. Schluter! Whoa! Check out this train set. It's awesome.
We know.
Hi, Trek. Hi, guys. Did you two build all this?
Guilty as charged.
Welcome, Trek, to Schlutertown.
The coolest
Most awesomest.
town on earth.
Chugga, 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 woo, woo!
Whoa! Schlutertown has a train station, a downtown, a zoo, and even a farm.
Thanks, Trek, but...
Still missing something, isn't it, Conductor Hannah?
Agreed, Conductor Dad. But what?
Oh, I'll get that. Hey, Trek, do you want to take over conducting duties while I'm away?
It would be an honor, Mr. Schluter.
Great. I can't wait to see what you two add to our train set. Woo woo!
Anna, I think I know what you should add to Schlutertown. Dinosaurs! Dino Dip! Trek's Adventures! Trek's Adventures. Train of Dinos.
A dinosaur! Emergency brakes!
So, what do you think? Do you want to add dinosaurs to your train set?
Brilliant idea, Trek. This is exactly what Schlutertown's been missing. Dinosaurs. Could you imagine if dinosaurs actually lived in Schlutertown?
Yes. Yes, I can.
Well, you're the dino expert. How should we introduce our new dinosaurs to the Schlutertownians?
I think I have an idea. Today is a very special day in Schlutertown because Conductor Hannah is returning from a long voyage with some very special passengers. All of Schlutertown has gathered at the train station to see what she brought back from her travels.
I'm so excited. I wonder what she brought with her.
Conductor Hannah.
Pretty exciting for Schlutertown.
Wow.
Welcome, Schlutertownians. I've returned from my long voyage with some special friends. I give you the Uoblocaphalus, the Brachiosaurus, and the Tyrannosaurus Rex. I know, awesome, right? First up, the mighty Uoblocaphalus. She's a herbivore who can eat thousands of leaves.
Look how big she is.
Uoblocaphalus means well-armored head because she's got an, well-armored head. Aw, isn't she so cute? She also has a massive armored tail with a huge club at the end. Uoblocaphalus, watch where you're swinging that tail. Moving right along, let's meet the giant Brachiosaurus. Another herbivore, the Brachiosaurus measures as long as one train car and is as tall as a 2-story building. Brachiosaurus is one of the biggest dinosaurs ever discovered, and the crowd goes wild. Woo! He, can also drink a lot of water. His stomach can hold almost 700 buckets of water.
He drank all the fountain water.
She's eating our tree.
I'll replace that later. And that tree. And finally, the Tyrannosaurus Rex, the king of the dinosaurs. She's one of the largest meat eaters ever to walk the earth. Impressed? Well, get this. To stay that big, she needs to eat a whole cow each day. That's 365 cows a year. That's a lot of hamburgers.
The T-Rex! Where's he going? Oh no! Where's the T-Rex going? He's getting away!
The T-Rex is heading to the farm.
Well, she's gonna eat all the cows.
Maybe letting dinosaurs loose in Schlutertown wasn't the best idea.
That's when Conductor Hannah realized that she had to get the dinosaurs back into their train cars, and fast.
But how?
She sighed. Then Conductor Hannah remembered something.
The Oplocephalus is a herbivore. I bet I can use Lee's as bait.
Using the crane at the train station, Conductor Hannah led the Oplocephalus back towards its holding car.
Here, you Oplocephalus, have some yummy, yummy leaves.
As soon as the Oplocephalus was in its cart,
Close the gate.
Conductor Hannah quickly closed it up.
Phew, one down,
The Brachiosaurus is heading downtown.
2 to go.
The giant Brachiosaurus has made its way to the water tower, but the tower is too tall for it to reach in.
She's huge.
Oh
Yikes. The Brachiosaurus is still thirsty.
Conductor Hannah noticed a water pump beside her train. She got a railroad crew to fill up one of the train cars with water.
I have a giant water bowl over here for you.
As soon as the Brachiosaurus took its first sip of water, Conductor Hannah ordered the cart closed.
2 down, 1 to... Moo?
The farmer has put all her cows in the barn to protect them from the hungry T-Rex. But it won't be long before the T-Rex finds the cows.
Full speed to the Schlutertown farm.
He races towards the farm at top speed.
How am I going to lure the T-Rex into its cart?
Further up the tracks, Hannah noticed the McSchluter's fast food restaurant.
She wants burgers? I'll give her burgers.
Welcome to Schlutertown. Can I take your order, please?
100 burgers, please.
Anything else?
Do you have any desserts?
We have our famous apple bacon pie.
I'll take 1. 2. Make it 2.
The T-Rex finally breaks through the barn door, but she's distracted when she hears...
Chugga, 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 moo, moo. Hey, T-Rex, you want some burgers?
The T-Rex raced over to its car. As soon as she was in, Conductor Hannah ordered the car closed. All the Schlutertownians cheer as Conductor Hannah pulls into the station with the recaptured dinos.
Turns out bringing dinos to Schlutertown wasn't my best idea. Now, what do I do with the dinosaurs?
Conductor Hannah notices the zoo across town.
Actually, I think I have an idea.
I can't wait to see what you two added to Schlutertown.
And we can't wait to show you. We give you the Schlutertown Zoo!
Now with dinosaurs.
I didn't think it was possible, but now Schlutertown is even more awesome. Now, who wants to drive the train?
I do. Pick me,
Actually, I think it's my turn to drive. Woo, woo!